So this is the room to Lufthansa Seeheim Hotel. This is actually also used as the training center for Lufthansa crew and pilots. It's a very compact and well done room, typical of any European setting. It took us 30 minutes from Frankfurt Airport to reach here. But since, as you know, autobahns, they are just speedy. It was half an hour, not much time. Good king size bed, nicely done room, gives you the feeling of roominess, I would say, at par with standard European rooms. And the pick of the thing is this view which you get out of this training center, because it's on a cliff, which is just fabulous. So if you visit here and happen to get the corner rooms, then you are in for a treat for sure. Enjoy your stay here, you're gonna love it. There's adequate storage room also with the cupboards. You have a safe, so everything basically what you need. But again, I would just like to go back and sit here just for the view. What a lovely view it is.